I fly drones for a living. Very fortunate. I get to do something I'm passionate about. I've been flying drones for 10 years, and I work for Valmont Industries. Northwest Texas today on a utility pole inspection, where we will be using this new M300. Our inspections require that we check each one of these structures going down the line. With that being, the total count is more than 2,000, covering 12,000 square miles. It's a lot of work, but we can do it in a lot less time than the traditional method.
With the increased zoom and the higher resolution, I believe that we'll be able to find smaller defects. It'll help for checking for missing hardware, such as small bolts and nuts. Instead of having to reset and focus for each area of interest, I'm able to select a broader area, and then it will do those individual photos for me with the focus. With a crane crew, you could only get about 4 structures inspected in a day. And with a drone team, that bumped it up to an average of probably 10, 12 structures in a day. With the additional flight time of the new batteries, it'll reduce the amount of battery swaps throughout a day, which will cut down on downtime and increase the amount of structures you're able to inspect throughout a day.
The AI spot check, we find that very beneficial for our team because our inspections typically don't just happen one time. Typically, we need to inspect the same structure over multiple years. So that allows us to perform the same flight again. And that way we can compare apples to apples and see if there's any significant changes in that structure.
Drones have changed the inspection industry. They make the inspectors more efficient, faster.
I love doing it. It's allowed me to spend more time with my family.
Very excited to see the M300 in our fleet.
The M300 has changed everything as far as what we're able to do and when we're able to do it.